Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the Q sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The Q sound is the combination of the K sound and the U sound. If you want to know more about the K sound and the U sound, get the link in the description. The Q sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word quá. To pronounce the Q sound, the back of the tongue presses up against the soft palate to stop the airflow, then lower the tongue to release it. Tense your tongue. Let's talk about your mouth. Open your mouth slightly, like a small, tight circle. Your lips are round and tense. Now let's try to say the sound. Quá, 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 quá. Let's practice saying some words with the Q sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. Qua, quả, quá, quân, quần, quen, quên, quyền, quyển, quen quen, quyền quý, quay quần, quá quát, quý quốc, quán quân, quần quật, quấn quýt. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the Q sound. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Quyên, quanh, quẩn, bên, cây, quýt. Now a little bit faster. Quyên, quanh, quẩn, bên, cây, quýt. Now with normal speed. Quyên quanh quẩn bên cây quýt. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.